Well, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg. Hello people, I just had a mess up. So on here it's sort of a purpley reddy sort of colour. What I'm going to do to try and render this issue is just a flip cup. So I've got black, white and gold, and I'm just doing this straight into the fairly large amount of white and the gold and a bit more black, and just see how we go. And then I'll just go with my trusty little stick. You never know, that might help. And I have a piece of cardboard. Right, now we're going to see what happens. Ooh, so far it doesn't look too bad. I don't even mind if the red from underneath comes through. I'm not at all, or pink, purple, whatever it is. I don't really care. I'm just going to scrape this out on here. Right, because this cup seems to have colours in it. And now I'll just give this a little, certainly hope this one works out alright. The other one was an abomination, but sometimes that happens. And I think I might bring that down this way, just so I'm keeping as much of the white. Over you go. Thank you. And there we go. The recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find under show more below this video. And hopefully. There's also down there a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. Can't believe how dark it's just gotten. I just want it over this corner now, and then I'll bring it back. Time of day when people are starting to take their dogs for walks, and my dogs feel that that shouldn't happen. They should all be still under quarantine. See, that's quite serious. Right, Winston, please. I'm just bringing this down. Good boy, but stay quiet if you don't mind. It's very slowly moving, but I'm really quite happy with it. Really am happy, because it looks to me like you know, the white frothy waves at the ocean coming over the rocks and what have you. That's what this looks like. Oh, let's wipe my hands. And then onto the torch. I don't have any silicone in there, but there is Floetrol in the pouring mediums. Yep. So I could still get some cell activity, but I don't really care. But it might be nice with a little few cells. That is really good, but I can have a little wiggle here with this one. think that probably should have left it alone, but I like it. And there is little bits of the Moby red coming through, and that's alright too. No barking, please. And I might just get my trusty piece of pipe. Where did you go? Hoping. There you are, hiding. Oh yes, and this bit here too. Oh yes, that will settle down, these little bits here, as it dries, but I'm going to not mess with it anymore. I think that's really good. I'm going to wipe my hands and bring it down to have a look and see what you think, if it's a cloud or a wave. I don't know, but it's very pretty. So here we go, and I'll try to stay out of the light. There we are, that's what I've been looking at, and you can see it goes darker up the top here. And is it any easier here? Oh, it's getting too dark. Alright, so I hope that picks up alright. But what are you doing? Out, that's it. And I like it. Could even be snow, couldn't it? Well, it can't be here, we don't have it, but some of you guys do. So as I said, the recipes for the paint and the pouring medium you'll find under Show More below this video. Also a link there to Australia Art Dreaming over in Facebook. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And click the little bell, you'll be notified then when I put up more videos. And I hope you, really hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please give it the thumbs up. Bye for now.